Parabuild comes with a series of interactive exercises which are suitable for both the beginner and the experienced detailer alike. These exercises will take you through the various subjects in a clear, fully illustrated, step-by-step format, beginning with some of the more basic functions and leading on to a number of Parabuild's advanced features. By working through these, you'll appreciate Parabuild's advanced and intuitive user interface, which will get you up and running in seemingly no time at all. To access these exercises, click on the green arrow in the ribbon. You could also find the same icon in the Parabuild toolbar behind the red question mark. Press this and hold to open the toolbar flyout. Once you've started the command, you'll see a dialog that lists all of the available exercises. You can choose to either use the PDF version of the exercises, which are very easy to use if you lay out a printed copy on your desk. Alternatively, you can use the exercises that are integrated into Parabuild. To do that, select an exercise from the list and press the Start This Exercise button. At the beginning of each exercise, you will be prompted to open the accompanying drawing. In this case, we'll open the Drawing Columns exercise. Click on the Open icon, follow the given path and double-click on the drawing file. Alternatively, you can open the drawing from the Windows Explorer or the Get Started page. In both cases, navigating the correct path. The drawing will provide an important accompaniment to the text. And while the drawing is open, go through the steps of the exercise. Each step follows a logical sequence to perform the task with fully comprehensive text and illustrations. And with the step completed, press the Next Step button to move on, or use Previous Step if you wish to go back.